What does a Monzo do? Ever wondered what it's like to have your bank in your pocket? Literally? That's the promise of Monzo, a mobile-first bank that's shaking things up. But what exactly does it do? Is it just hype or a real game changer? Let's dive in. For years, banking has been, well, let's be honest, a bit clunky. Branches, long queues, confusing fees, and websites that look like they were designed in the 90s. It's enough to make anyone want to bury their head in the sand and pretend money doesn't exist. Enter Monzo. Imagine a bank built for the digital age, designed around your smartphone. No more stuffy branches, no more endless phone calls, just you and your money, all in one sleek app. Real-time spending insights. Monzo gives you a crystal-clear picture of where your money is going. Every transaction is instantly categorized, so you can easily track your spending habits and spot any unexpected expenses. Instant notifications. Forget waiting days for transactions to appear. Monzo notifies you in real time, so you always know your balance and can quickly identify any suspicious activity. Roundups and pots. Want to save for a holiday, build an emergency fund, or simply stash away some extra cash? Monzo's pots feature lets you easily round up your purchases and automatically save the difference. It's a painless way to boost your savings without even thinking about it. International spending made easy. Traveling abroad? Monzo's fee-free international spending and competitive exchange rates make it a traveler's best friend. No more worrying about hidden charges or confusing currency conversions. Excellent customer support. Need help? Monzo's customer support is renowned for its speed and friendliness. You can usually get in touch through in-app chat, and they're always ready to assist with any questions or issues. Okay, so it sounds great, but are there any downsides? Well, like any new technology, Monzo isn't perfect. Some users have reported occasional app glitches, and while Monzo is constantly improving, it may not have all the features of a traditional bank, like the ability to write checks. I've been using Monzo for over a year now, and I've been incredibly impressed. It's made managing my money so much easier. I can see exactly where my money is going, I'm saving more effortlessly, and I've never felt more in control of my finances. Plus, the app is just plain fun to use. Intrigued? Want to give Monzo a try? It's easy to sign up, and there's no obligation. Download the app, create an account, and see for yourself what all the fuss is about. Monzo is just one example of how technology is revolutionizing the way we bank. From mobile payments to AI-powered financial advice, the future of banking is looking increasingly exciting and convenient. So, what does the future hold? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the days of clunky, outdated banking are numbered. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.